Hello SAP developers. Today I want to highlight a great blog post by SAP product expert Naoto Sakai. He takes us through his journey of using the new AI chat feature in SAP Build Code to build custom UI5 forms which could then be imported into SAP Build Process Automation. Now, if you have been working with SAP Build Process Automation for a while, you probably know that using custom UI5 forms isn't new. We have had that option for a while. That is a nice feature since freestyle UI5 forms give you a lot of flexibility that standard forms just cannot match. Building these custom forms used to take a lot of manual development effort. It also required deep knowledge of SAP UI5 framework. Plus, standard large language models usually don't understand the unique nuances for UI5 task specifications required to make the custom form importable into Build Process Automation. That's where Naoto's post comes in handy. He actually shares an initial prompt designed specifically to teach the LLM those requirements. It gives you a solid head start and you can tweak it based on the custom form you are building. It is a practical workflow, so give it a try and drop your thoughts in the comments section of his blog post. The link to the blog post is in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.
Last week we highlighted a few videos on our SAP Developer YouTube channel that you may have missed recently. Well, we just wanted to let you know about one more thing. Our Hands-on SAP Dev show, Livestream show, is back. And to celebrate that, I'm wearing a t-shirt that I've just dug out of a box, that's why it's so creased, from a previous series on our Livestream show about OAuth. Anyway, we're kicking things off this month, starting on Friday, the 7th of August, with a brand new series, CAP in the Age of AI. We've got a team of 4 rather splendid individuals, Daniel Schlachter, Johannes Vogt, Simon Engel and Stefan Rudi, all experts from the CAP team who know a lot about the topics that we're going to be covering. And we're going to start with the topic of the MCP adapter. That's one we covered, Daniel Schlachter and I, recently in one of our expert session series, but we're going to go deeper as we do in the live stream. So check it out. Look out for upcoming episodes all about different aspects of CAP in the age of AI, different features, functionality, and so on. And we'll see you on Fridays.
Hey folks, Retirement here. Hope everyone is doing well. I'm here in Newtown Square today. I got the Experience Center in the background here. It's pretty cool. All kinds of good stuff in here. Anyway, hope everyone is doing well. Calling all developers, architects, and IT professionals. One of the biggest events in enterprise tech is just around the corner. That's right, folks. SAP TechEd Berlin 2026 takes place October 27th through the 29th at Mesa Berlin in Germany, with a virtual option for those joining from around the world. This is SAP's premier technical conference, and this year the focus is what's defining the next era of enterprise software, AI execution, application development, data integration, and cloud security, right? Whether you're building intelligent applications, modernizing your architecture, or locking down your cloud environment, there's a session and a hands-on lab built specifically for you. This is where the SAP developer community comes together to learn, connect, and build. Just not keynotes, real training, real code, real conversations with people shaping the platform. Registration is open now, so head on over to the SAP TechEd Berlin portal to claim your spot. Remember, October 27th through the 29th in Mesa, Berlin, and we'll see you there. Bye for now.
Hola, SAP developers. Are you planning your migration from SAP Process Orchestration to SAP Integration Suite? Well, I got 2 news for you. First, the migration assessment tool just got better. There's a new enhancement focused on landscape analysis and cost estimation. It consolidates message throughput, performance metrics, and SAP Integration Suite license calculations into a single dedicated report, providing you all the data you need to perform license simulations and make informed architectural decisions for your SAP Integration Suite migration. Gabriel's blog post in SAP Community has all the details. Now, you might know that migrating integration content from SAP Process Orchestration to SAP Integration Suite Cloud Integration can be accelerated considerably with the migration tool. Now, if you choose the pipeline migration approach, the tool generates not only the integration flows, but also the required partner directory entries so that the scenario can run in the pipeline for cloud integration. Check out Alex's blog post where he walks you through the migration of an XI-based scenario, migrating the integrated configuration object from SAP Process Orchestration to cloud integration using the pipeline approach. He shows the manual changes required for a scenario in which both the sender and receiver communicate using the XI adapter. So, if you're in the middle of planning your PO migration or just getting started, check out the blog post included in the description. Ciao!